Okay guys, today I will teach you how to put sounds or music on your iMovie using iPhone or iPad. It's very easy. You just need 2 steps. First, of course, you go on YouTube. Okay, then search for the music you like. I want kids music. Don't forget to put no copyright. There you go. I'll choose this one. And then scroll up on your phone. Press this button right here, the record button. Okay, don't stop the music while it's recording. It's up to you how long the music you want for your iMovie. I think that's good enough for my video. Okay, that's it. Press stop. Press on stop. There you go. And stop this one. Go to your iMovie app. Then let me try my video right here. My phone is too dark. Okay. Then press the add button right there. You'll see the one I record, it's on the first one right here. You can play it. See? Then just put add on your movie. That's how easy it is. Now let's try. That's it. I hope this video helped you on your problem on how to put music on your iMovie. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.